How to find and access TikTok Shop on laptop PC. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to utilize and see the TikTok Shop on your laptop. Now, just like with any other website, if you don't know where to find it, you can easily use Google over here and simply search TikTok Shop. Now, the difference between the PC and mobile version is that you won't be able to access the TikTok Shop itself, wherein you could buy and check out different types of product. The version of TikTok Shop that you will be able to use on your laptop or your desktop is the version where you are the seller. As you can see here on shop.tiktok.com, you could easily open and log into your seller account, and this is where you will be able to manage your different TikTok information. So simply go to this platform, log into your seller center, and you will be able to view your different information as a seller in the shop seller center of TikTok, as you can see here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.